Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to clean a makeup sponge in the most efficient way as possible. And I hope this video will be helpful for many of you who would like to clean their makeup sponges. Let's go to the video. So things you need are nothing but the makeup sponge which you want to clean. Here I have a dirty sponge from CMA powder and the Maybelline concealer and MAC Studio Fix foundation. So I'm gonna clean this dirty sponge. So I've tried a lot of methods. Sponge cleaner, liquid solutions, olive oil, coconut oil, even the fancy makeup sponge cleansers and the makeup brushes cleanser. But my favorite method and the most efficient method which I've ever used is using a bar soap. I know this might find somewhat stupid to many of you, but then trust me guys, it will work like a magic. So here I have a hotel soap. The best thing about this method is you don't have to carry anything. I'm not doing this video just because I'm in a hotel and I have a hotel soap. Even if I was in my home and if I were in my bedroom or bathroom, I would just use like a Dove soap or a Pierce soap to clean my sponges. I'll show you how it works. So first you need some hot water, and then I'm sorry guys, I'm holding my mobile in one hand and the sponge in another hand. So first you need to wet the soap. It should be lukewarm water, and then you use your sponge. You dampen it. Dampening is very important, even for applying makeup and also for cleaning it, because only then every pores will get affected or you can clean every pore. Then rub it on the soap. See how much dirt is coming off? Trust me, if you were using a sponge cleanser or a makeup brush cleanser, this wouldn't be as efficient as how we are doing it now. I don't know what it is, I don't know what's the physics or the science behind it, but I always personally feel that rubbing it against a solid surface gives you more friction, it gives you deep cleansing when compared to anything else. And this is also the most affordable way, trust me. So sometimes we think buying the costly brush cleansers or the sponge cleansers are the most efficient way, and buying all those costly makeup brush cleansing sets are the most efficient way, but then I find this to be way more efficient. And then you dampen it, and then you press against the sponge until it becomes clean. So you have to repeat this twice or thrice so that it is completely clean. And do not worry about sticking your sponge deep into the soap, because that is how it actually gets cleansed. So do it on all the sides. I'm concentrating on one side because I was using only one side for applying my makeup today morning. So concentrate on all sides and then rub it in between your fingers. Do not worry about the sponge shape, because when you finally dampen it and wash it, you can retrieve the original shape. After all, this is a sponge, it's not a makeup brush. So you don't have to worry about the shape. And then voila, here is a clean sponge. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment in the comment section if you want to see any more particular videos or your ideas about these videos. If you have a better makeup sponge cleansing technique, please let me know. clean sponge. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye.